Fifth design rule. Law of Prägnanz. Prägnanz is a German word that means salience, conciseness, and orderliness. The law of Prägnanz is the fundamental principle of the Gestalt laws of grouping. Gestalt laws are rules which describe how humans perceive visual elements and simplify complex images. Gestalt psychologists argue that our mind has an innate disposition to perceive patterns using these 5 categories: proximity, similarity, continuity, closure, and connectedness. In UX, UI design, users see your complete interface, and this means 2 things. First, if you want to ease the user's perception, use simple forms and group them in obvious and expected way. Second, if you want to highlight an element, well, break this rule, but try to avoid chaos. Breaking rules is effective only when it contrasts order. For more design laws and Figma tips, go on my account, and don't forget to subscribe and put your like.